Okay. Good evening, everybody. Gonna make a video tutorial here to help you understand how to work in a wiki. I have gotten the impression over the last 3 weeks that everybody seems to feel like they need to be online the same time in order to work in a team activity. And so what we've done is our supervisor has set us up a wiki. And I know all of you are e-tutors and you work with Senna and that you work with the Blackboard platform. I don't know if the Blackboard platform has the availability of the use of wikis, but in Moodle we have wikis, and wikis are our collaborative tool. Actually, we use Adobe Connect. It's just another tool that we can use to work, to get to know each other and to have a little bit more almost face-to-face type of communication. Okay, so in actuality, in Moodle, the collaborative tool that we use in Moodle is wikis. Okay, so let's take a look at the wiki. So as you can see right here, our supervisor set us up a wiki. We are group 1. Okay, so if we go into our wiki, you can see that I have the activities Activity 2 and Activity 4 set up for us to be able to work asynchronously here in Moodle. Okay, so of course asynchronously means everybody doesn't have to be in the same place at the same time. As a matter of fact, wikis do not work synchronously. It's not like a Google Doc. Google Docs, everybody can be in the same place at the same time. Wikis do not work that way. Okay, so my suggestion is this: each team set a team leader for Activity 2 and Activity 4. Okay, so once the team leader is set up, then everybody participates in the wiki. So here is our Activity 2 wiki. Okay, so as you can see here, we have various tabs at the top. Okay, really and truly for this wiki, these collaborative wikis, really and truly you're only going to need to use 2 tabs, the View tab and the Edit tab. Okay, so once you click on Activity 2, as you can see, each team has its Activity 2 page. Okay, so below where the team page is, please click on the corresponding team to enter your wiki page. I've posted the team instructions for the activity so you can start. So let's just go into team 1 page, for example. Okay, so here are the instructions, and here is a table. Okay, this table basically goes along with these instructions. Okay, why? Because it says, imagine that you are developing an online course together. Briefly describe the course, the participants, the topic that you would like to introduce, agree on one website page that you think would be a good spark for the topic, explain how you could use that resource to encourage participation. As I said, select a team representative, submit your post to Forum 1. Post early in order to be courteous to the other teams. Okay, so here I just set the columns up according to these instructions. So each team member puts their name, the course description, briefly describe the course description, the participants, in other words, could it be young adults, young learners, people learning a different language, mathematics, science, whatever it is. Okay, the topic that you want to introduce. Let's just say, for example, you want to introduce an English topic, simple past, for example. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, well then you would type simple past here. Website suggested. What website do you think that you should be able to use to, as it says right here, to spark the topic? Okay, and here you type in the ideas on why you believe this website would be appropriate for that spark. Okay, now as you can see right here, I'm clicking. You can't do anything here in the view page, so you have to scroll back up and click on edit. Well, then that brings you to the editing box. Okay, or HTML format, HTML editing box. Okay, so as you can see here, I mean, you could do this in this box and just type everything here. Actually, you can copy and paste your ideas here. Okay, but you can also click on the expand and you can make it go full screen. Okay, so here you can type in each one of these boxes, do what you want, make sure all your information is how you like it, go back to the normal size screen, and then once you have all your information, so each team member uses one row. Okay, so I've added, there's 5 team members per team, so I've added 5 rows. Okay, so make sure you have to do this. Click on save. Once you have everything like you like it in your table, make sure you click on save, and then that will take you back to the view tab, and then you will see your ideas here. Okay, so that will make it easy on your team representative. Actually, that means that everybody doesn't have to be in the same place at the same time, and the team can work. You can be working together, but at the same time you can be doing other activities. Since there's a lot of activities going on this week, pretty demanding week, then that will give everybody the opportunity to work together without having the pressure of being online at the same time. Okay, so once you finish this, if you would like to go ahead and get started, and you guys have gotten together and decided who's going to be the team leaders for each activity, then you can go ahead and actually get started on Activity 4. Okay, same idea. Once you click on Activity 4, then you're going to come to your team page. Same instructions. So you click on your team. Okay, make sure you click on the right team. Okay, if you're in team 1, don't click on team 3. Okay, make sure you participate in your team's wiki. Okay, so here we are. Here is the same idea. Here's a set of instructions for each post, and then I have another table. Okay, so basically you're asked for post 1 to work together and decide how to respond if you saw this message in an online language learning course. Okay, so the team representative is asked to post a reply. But the key here is, remember, you're trying to prompt the e-learner in some way, or to involve other e-learners. You're trying to help them to help themselves, to stop thinking of you as the only source of information. Okay, which is key in e-learning. I think you guys have had some experience on that. So once again, table. So here, each team member write their name, and then here's your proposed reply. Okay, so team leader takes a look at all the replies, and boom, you're ready to go. Okay, so same idea. You want to edit, you click on the edit tab, you scroll down. This table, you might be able to type everything here or copy and paste everything here. If not, once again, you can put it in full screen mode, type your name, type your message, go back to the other screen, save it, and boom, you're ready to go. Okay, so here's our wikis. That takes us back to the original page, and once we're through, we can go back to the course and start working in our other 2 individual threads, which are activities 1 and 4. Okay, so here's week 4. So activities 1 and 4 are our individual activities. Okay, well, that was a little brief. We're going to go over this again in the Adobe Connect session, but please, by all means, get together as soon as possible, get a good start on this. And if you have any questions whatsoever on how to edit or copy and paste or anything in the wiki, don't hesitate to shoot me a message or send me an email, and I'll be more than happy to help. Okay, all right, bye.